Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We go through the day today. We're looking at a few spotty showers and a passing thunderstorm. Very humid still today. We'll start to see relief from the humidity. That'll drop off tonight behind the approaching cold front for a very pleasant start and finish to the weekend. As far as the risk for storms, we could see some stronger winds, hail, and frequent lightning with any storms that do pass over. But again, those storms will be less frequent. The better chance is for rain showers. Temperatures around 84 for a high, a southwest wind at 5 to 15. And then tonight, once that front passes through, we'll clear things out. We'll cool down to near 60 degrees. It is going to be very comfortable and mild tomorrow with a high of 80. We'll stay near 80 on Saturday. Warm things up again next week. Another chance for showers and storms by Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great day.